Crystal have her new phone now.
Makina is not allowed to touch this phone.
So instead of they fix it, she got a replacement.
What's up YouTube? How are you doing guys? So guess what guys, today I'm on the bus and I'm going down to Central London to Covent Garden. So guys, today I'm on my way to the Apple store because as you know Kino broke my phone. So guys, I'm finally gonna get it repaired. So you guys are gonna follow me today on a journey. So I have a busy day today. So I'm gonna go to the Apple store and get my phone fixed. Guys, I just really hope that they can fix it the same day because I really miss my phone, honestly. At the moment I'm using Kino's old iPhone XR, but obviously it's not the same as an iPhone 11 Pro Max. So guys, I miss my phone. I hope today they can fix it same day, or if not then maybe I can come back tomorrow. That would be the best option. So guys, just pray with me. I hope I don't have to wait because they say the max, if they have to send it off to the center, then you have to wait like 6 to 8 days. But I don't want to wait that long because then probably it would come back after Christmas. But I need my phone. So guys, you're gonna come with me to Covent Garden Central London and we're gonna go to the Apple store. After that we're gonna do some shopping because we've got a voucher. So we're gonna go to Asda because we have a nice lovely voucher that Kina got from work. So we're gonna do a bit of shopping guys. So we have a fun day ahead. We've got a busy day and it's super cold today. It's freezing and it's a bit of a rainy wet day. I'll let you see. So if you know London, at the moment I am in Surrey Quays. So here's the shopping centre, there's Kino. Don't pay him no mind guys. He's in a bad mood today and he is not talking to me just because I woke him up early. So he's upset just because I asked him to get out of bed early and he didn't get done the things I asked him to do in time. So he's upset and he's blaming me. So he's over there. There's nobody upstairs on the bus, but guess what guys, he still chose to sit on a different side to me. That's how immature he is, that he'll go and sit all the way over there. So you know what guys, let's embarrass him. How are you doing today? Hello? The YouTube subscribers want to see your face. Anyway, you're ugly, so let's get back to me. How do I zoom out on this camera? I need to get used to this camera, you know guys. Anyway, yes, I'm in Surrey Quays, so there's the Odeon and Pizza Hut there. I can't wait guys for cinema to open back, honestly.
Canada Street.
I really want to be able to go to cinema again. Like, you know what I miss the most? I miss nachos and cheese. I just miss cinema food. I know it's super expensive, but it's the best. The nachos and cheese at Odeon is the best. And I love their hot dogs and the Tango Ice Blast. So guys, I can't wait to go cinema again. But yeah, gonna go today for a nice busy day. Hopefully when we come back home we can do a challenge. I really want us to do a challenge, but we'll have to see guys, because the challenge that we want to do is a bit of a messy one. So if it's not raining we can go outside in the back garden to do the challenge, but guys, we'll have to wait and see. So now we are approaching Surrey Quays, Canada Water Station guys. So we are at the bus station and the train station is here as well. Today is not a busy day at all. There's hardly anybody on the road, but I think it's because, you know, they've put London back in tier 3, so I think a lot of people are not at work again. You guys cannot see out the window because it's a bit blurry out there, a bit foggy, but there's hardly anyone outside anyway. Yes guys,
188.
the way how it's cold, like I can't wait to go home, and I only just left the house. Guys, we're gonna have a fun day. I'm taking the bus today because I think I prefer bus ride compared to train, because on the bus there's more ventilation, I don't know, and on the train as well the internet goes, so that's why I'm just gonna take the bus. But also guys, I want to show you some of the scenery. So at the moment it's a bit boring here, there's a bit of traffic ahead, so guys, when we are more closer to central London I will pop back up. So I'll see you in a bit guys. Back again guys. So we are finally in central London now, in Covent Garden. You can see the nice Christmas lights. It is so cold guys, so cold.
Woke up. Wakey, wakey.
My feet are so cold, look what I'm wearing. These lights take forever to change. Look at this big theatre guys. Oh, at the moment now, because we're in the tier 3, theatre, cinema are closed again, but they were just open because I wanted to book to go and see some nice Christmas shows in the theatre, but they are closed again, so we won't get to see any. It is freezing cold today, as I said 100 times already. Back again guys. There is so much beautiful Christmas decorations around here in central London, so I just want to show you some. Here's Starbucks. So nice to bring the kids. Where are we going? Are we going the right way?
Yes, we are.
Look guys, some nice expensive stores. You got Rolex there. One day I hope we can shop there, Rolex. You have Mulberry. What else I see? Molten Brown is nice. They do some nice like skincare products. And there's Chanel. Huh? Nice. Look like a nice travel store. Those Christmas trees look really nice over there. Covent Garden Market. Traditional British telephone boxes. Huh? We are at the Apple store now, but you have to queue up. It looks like they just opened. So guys, we're gonna go in.
Okay now guys, Crystal have her new phone now.
Makina is not allowed to touch this phone.
So instead of they fix it, she got a replacement.
Yes guys, I got replacement.
See now guys, we're in a shopping center. I don't know. See guys, beautiful isn't it? Look on her with her bossy walk till she get her new phone back innit? She still can't talk to me same way because I have the 12. So she's still 1 year behind. So it doesn't matter, mine brand new still. Yes guys, look at him. That man there don't play, you know. So this is them shops where you can buy your... Is that Usain Bolt there? See? That's Usain there, man. Nice. Come on. Looking, innit? Read me. You always have a problem with me. Don't know I'm ever the deal. Yes guys, see? Loads of clothes and artifacts and stuff like that down there. Crystal, you wanna get the hot dog? Did I take out? Huh? Why? Huh? Oh, not really.
I don't even think, I would go somewhere around here, but there's no way that you can sit down somewhere because they don't let you sit anywhere.
So we can do it like get us people and just sit down and walk and eat it. What's the difference? No, I want a moldy one. Museum down there. Where's the museum then?
We're in Covent Garden, we're not in like
Proper central.
It is central, but we're not at the bit like we need to go further in. Why you wanna go to the museum?
No sir.
We saved that for another day. It's cold and now we need to do our shopping. We just want to go to the Asda and Deptford High Street.
Okay guys, we're going back home now. But now home, we're going shopping supermarket.
Look at all these bikes, so many bikes.
See that guys? This reminds me of back in Jamaica, you know.
But they don't have bikes like this, they have the Yang bike.
Yeah, the Yang bike.
Which way do we come
there.
from? This side?
Yeah. That's not the way I go.
18 or something.
And that's the cab.
How you know?
I want the Uber.
How you know it's the Uber?
Don't you see have the stick up on it?
No, it's because it's a Toyota Prius.
Well, whatever. Yes, that's true as well.
London Transport Museum. I don't know, there was a London Transport Museum.
You know today? Jeez, I'm trying, guys. Look, the guys. Look from bumper. And Michael Korbag has that. That Michael Korbag and all of them stuff. I stood them in a freeze today. Look, nice pigeon.
What?
Pigeon.
They're not nice. Did you just say they're nice?
Of course they are nice.
You're an idiot.
In Jamaica, people grow them as pet, you know.
That's disgusting.
They're
Pigeons
pets.
is like, in this country, they're like rats.
Okay, guys, and then bike over there, guys, you just pay and you ride. This is someone's bed right there. Huh? So what one of the bus we getting now?
Another British telephone box. It's so beautiful and central, guys. These are some nice clothes. Oh, the light is green for us to go. 2 seconds remaining. Wow, nice hotel over there. So guys, we are approaching the bus stop. Here is Wasabi, nice lovely sushi restaurant, and they do really nice curry as well there, really good. And you got Pret over there. Pret is nice. So Jamaicans, if you are coming to London, please make sure you take a lovely trip down here to Central to visit all the lovely museums, theatres, all of these things. Nice restaurants, expensive but nice hotel. Where is the bus stop?
I don't know where you walk and go. Walk left.
What way?
The way that way that.
Guys, I have to be using Google Maps to direct me to the bus stop because your boy Kino took us the wrong way.
Okay guys, Crystal over there setting up our new phone here.
I have to set up a Wi-Fi in order to set it up.
Yeah, you don't have no SIM in there. Unless you want to connect to my Wi-Fi. I use the Wi-Fi but there's something with on the phone that you have. That's the one thing we love with my phone, you know, it's so close to it, never push the camera all the way back. No worries, they're using my old phone. I'll take it from you as soon as I go in.
What are they gonna do?
Guys, her memory's gone for a walk now. Turn on the hotspot for that.
Oh.
Guys, it's like I'm the memory book some of the time. The diary. Yes guys, we're in
Waterloo Road.
Waterloo now. This is what our bus look like. So now we're just going to the shopping center to go to the supermarket to get some stuff.
Guys, it's starting to rain now. I can't believe this weather. I hope I get to the bus quick. It's raining and I'm freezing. My feet are frozen cold, guys. And now it's raining. What a lovely day.
(188) to North Greenwich.
1882 North Greenwich. That's where the OT is. And the Kino work nearby. There's McDonald's. We are approaching a very
The Old
famous,
Vic.
there the famous theatre called the Old Vic. I've been there once or twice.
setting up the face. Are you not gonna put mine as well?
You're not touching this phone after you was the one that smashed the last.
I'm eating the cheat. Yeah, move like I'm eating the cheat.
188 to North Greenwich.
What should I make your passcode?
Kino.
What's a special date that I have? I thought of one.
Make it my date of birth.
St George's Circus.
Make sure it relates to me, you know, that I don't have to throw it again.
What should I pick?